Blessed are those whose sins are washed away, whose broken past you chose not to display. When I was silent, my strength ran dry, but mercy found me when I cried. I confessed my heart, I hid no more, and grace came rushing like an open door. Oh, the joy of the forgiven soul, set free, made new, forever whole. You are my shelter, my hiding place, surrounded now by songs of grace. You teach my steps, you guide my way, your loving eyes on me each day. Not led by fear, not bound by shame, I walk in freedom through your name. Oh, the joy of the forgiven soul, set free, made new, forever whole. You are my shelter, my hiding place, surrounded now by songs of grace. Do not be stubborn, do not delay, trust in the Lord while there's still today. The righteous rejoice, the faithful sing, glad hearts rise to the King of Kings. Oh, rejoice in the Lord, you righteous ones, shout for joy, let praise be sung, for steadfast love surrounds us all. When we trust Him, we never fall. You are my hiding place, my joy, my song, my Savior.